Today I'm going to try to join the 40-incher club. I'm heading out to O'Neal Forbe. My first spot is going to be at check 12.
Traded the grind for a tune. Out by the water where the sun kissed the tree.
I have two fishing rods. One is going to be the good old bait and weight with chicken liver. The second rod I'm going to use artificial lures. I'm using magic string to secure my bait to the hook. Unfortunately, the aqueduct radial gate is not open. In my experience and luck, fish are less active, but we're here already. You never know. That 40-incher might be in there. I don't know why people trash places like this. I see it everywhere I go. The sad part is, there's a dumpster 20 feet away. If no dumpster is provided, it's common sense. If you pack it in, pack it out. It's that simple. How does someone just lose the crop and walk all the way back to their car? Finally, I can enjoy my day off.
Just wiggle their tails in their silvery pursuit. I'm gone fishing, left my troubles behind, found salvation in the rhythm of a line. No emails or meetings, just the river's sway. Gone fishing, and I'm here to stay.
2 hours in, and the gate is not open yet. Let's try some topwater for those fall stripers.
Folks call me lazy, but I've got it all right. Casting my cares from dawn till the night. While the world spins crazy, I'm here humming a tune. Fishing for joy beneath the big old moon.
No luck with the chicken liver, so I'm switching to anchovy.
Left my worries at the shore, hooked on patience, couldn't ask for more. The water's whisper says you belong here. Gone fishing, free and crystal clear.
Saving the best for last, this lure almost never fails. It's a Duo Reis 120 Neopearl. I tried just about every lure in my tackle box, with no bite. I was just chatting with this fisherman, and this happened. Really, I was just fishing there. I'm happy for him, but the disappointment on my face says it all.
Don't worry about it, man. It's just 30 pounds.
Unless it's like
I was heartbroken, so I moved on to a new fishing location. And it paid. And I was probably denied entry to the 40-incher club by Mother Nature. But that was fun. Now, let's make dinner and watch the sunset on this beautiful overcast day. Today, I'm making bacon cheeseburgers for dinner. This is just salt and garlic seasoning. I don't usually show myself eating, because it gets juicy and messy real fast, especially if you're smart like me and forgot to pack napkins. But this is the first time. I know some people like it, but when I edit it, It just made me hungry. LOL. Let me know in the comments if this makes the video better or not. And thanks in advance. Today, I got rejected from the 40 club. If you're in the same boat, don't give up and keep fishing. The beauty of this rejection is we find peace in the outdoors. Have time to think about life. When I was younger, fishing with my friends, I'd see fishermen alone and wonder, why is he out here alone? Is he not scared? Now that I'm getting older, I finally understand why. All men really want is peace, to have dinner by the lakeside and watch the sunset.